Do you want to know how you can supplement your retirement so you can enjoy your golden years to the greatest without the worry of having to simply rely on a limited pension? During the pandemic, my work and income stopped completely due to travel restrictions. Without any income during the pandemic, I depleted my savings for my day-to-day living expenses. I started to realize I wanted a supplementary income during retirement to live my retirement the way I want to live, because I will not have the extra disposable income a regular income provides. The retirement I want is to have the time freedom to spend more quality time with my family, venturing around the country in my new four-wheel drive, towing my new off-road caravan, traveling to exotic countries for adventure and relaxation, enjoying my sports and hobbies, all the time having the supplementary income to finance these lifestyle events. Because of this, I was exploring ways of how I could supplement my retirement for financial security and time freedom to live my life my way. So I turned to the internet for solutions. One day a guy showed up in my life telling me there's a solution by creating incomes online. I don't have time to explain all the solutions to you in this short video, but I do have a video I can send you that has details of the solutions. Stuart, the guy who thankfully came into my life, will show you in this video many solutions. The video shows you the many different ways to generate income online even while you're offline doing the things you love or even sleeping. The video will give you the concepts of supplementing your income during your retirement, and you can also use these concepts to gain earlier retirement. If you'd like the video, click the Learn More button. Just enter your name and email address, and I'll send the video immediately to you at no cost. Spend a few minutes of your life having a look. Maybe this is for you, maybe not. You have nothing to lose. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to invest in yourself and put in the work to achieve your goal. People like you and I are creating incomes online because more and more people are buying online every day. Items such as household groceries to luxury items to consultations. If you think about it, everyone at some time in their life has purchased something online. How can we then tap into this digital economy, you may ask me? Well, there are ways to sell things or provide a solution to people online. You just need to have a website or something to offer to someone. Just need to put the right offer in front of the right people. We can show you how to find the right offer. So easy to build websites these days, using one of many templates, clicking here and there, dragging and dropping, and you can have a website up and running in a couple of hours. In January 2024, there were 5.3 billion internet users globally, and the number of internet users grew by 97 million in the last 12 months. With the internet growing every year, opportunities are endless. For example, more than 11,000 affiliate programs where you get paid for helping businesses market and sell their products online, either through your website or other e-commerce platforms like Amazon. You can build your online business at your own pace from home, even while working your current employment. There's no age limit, no need for physical stores or hefty investments, just an internet-connected device. No bosses dictating your schedule. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world with an uncapped income potential. To achieve this, all you need is a little guidance to turn this vision into reality. Click the Learn More button somewhere around this video and simply enter your name and email, and I'll send you the video on how you can embark on this life-changing journey. Take the first step towards living a dream. If you want your life to change, then you need to change your life. Click that button now.